Najo Legends here. Hi, welcome to my channel. Today, we will talk about CLM on Cross and how to make money online in CLM on Cross and how to pass leveling on CLM on Cross and where spot or where the best spot to farming on CLM on Cross. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go! What is CLM on Cross? CLM is a mobile MMORPG massively multiplayer online role-playing game inspired by the classic PC game Seal Online. Is available on platforms like Google Play Store and sometimes promoted through communities or apps like Cross. In simple terms, you create a character, explore a fantasy world, fight monster, complete quests, play with other players online. What makes it stand out is the cute anime style graphics, fun humor, and pet system. How to play CM beginner guide. Create your character, choose a class like warrior, strong melee, mage magic attacks, priest healer support, jester fast and cheeky, customize your look. 2. Follow the main quest top quest on the screen. Auto navigation help you go to locations. This is the fastest way to level up early. 3. Combat and leveling. Fight monster to gain XP. Use skill, each class has unique abilities. Upgrade stats and equipment. 4. Use pets and mounts. Catch or hatch pets. Pets help in battle and give bonuses. Mount make travel faster. And 5. Gear up and upgrade, equip weapons, armor and accessories, enhance gear to become stronger. Join dungeons for better loot. 6. Play with others, join a guild, party with friends, participate in event and boss fights. Beginner tips. Focus on main quest. First, fast leveling, save resources. Don't upgrade everything early. Log in daily for reward. Be careful with in-game spending. Some versions have top-ups. About Cross, if you were referring to playing CLM through a platform like Cross, sometimes this platform offer reward or task. Always double check if it's official or safe. Download from trusted sources like the Play Store. How to make money CLM Cross. 1. Farming valuable items. Grindmaster that drop rare gear. Upgrade materials. Pet items. Focus on map where map drop high demand item. Sell everything in the marketplace. Check prices first. Tip. Don't farm random mobs, target those with valuable drop. Dungeon runs, daily income. Do daily dungeons, solo or party. Bosses drop, equipment enhance, stone rare materials. These sell fast or boost your own power. Tip, join a party faster runs. More profit. 3rd, marketplaces flipping. Buy low, sell high. Look for undervalued items. Limited materials. Resell for profits. Tip, check market trends, daily prices change. 4. Crafting and upgrading. Craft gear and sell it. Upgrade items then sell at higher value. Raise upgrading can fail, don't waste all your resources. 5. Cross token system, if available, convert in-game assets into blockchain, reward trade items token on the platform. This is where real money potential come in, depends on server events. How to level up pass in CLM. 1. Or first, focus on main quest first. main quests give hug, XP, unlock new areas and futures. Never skip main quest early game. And second, grind in the right spot. Fight mobs near your level. Fast to kill, use auto battle for long grinding season. Best XP fast kill, not strong enemies. Third, use XP boost, XP potion, event bonuses, buff from pets or items. Always activate before grinding daily. And 4, daily and weekly missions give XP and plus reward. Easy to complete, don't skip, this is free progress. And 5, party grinding, faster kills, faster XP, good for dungeons and boss farming. 6, upgrade your gear, stronger character, faster farming, more XP plus more money. Pro tips, important, don't waste gold early, and invest in gear, upgrades trading. Always check market price before selling. AFK grinding is your best friend. Join a guide for bonuses plus party help. In Seal M on Cross, the best farming spot is just on one location. It depends on your level kill spend. And class AOE versus single target, but there are some general meta spot player used for fast XP. Plus, Segel money. Here's a simple breakdown. Earlier game level 1 to 60. Best spot starter, map shields, fields, low level zones. Any early field map which dense mob. Focus fast skill, fast XP. Don't overthink location yet. Go level up quickly, not farm. Money mind game. Level 60 to 120, best spot highly density. Monster zones plus dungeons. Look for area which fast response moves. Big monster packs. Good zones usually include minefield maps near quests. Progression areas, repeatable dungeons, grinding spot. Best for XP plus gear drops. And Sega farming like game 120 plus in game farming. Best spots, high CP, elite monster zones, party farming areas, elite mobs or field bosses, high drop rate zone materials and rare gear. Best for big money, Sigil upgrade materials, rare drops from farming tip important hunter, mage best farming classes, fast AOE clears. Sealm.com, always farm where you can 1 to 3 shot mob. Prioritize mob density over monster leveling. Use AFK grinding only is safe response zone. Seal material is 10 WoW, only grinding XP. Simple answer. If you just the best spot in one line, go where mobs are packed. Plus you can kill them fast even if they are lower level. That the real best farming spot in Seal M on Cross. If you want, I can give you best AFK farming build hunter mage exact map per level bracket. Best class for pure money farming, just tell me. Here a solid AFK guide grinding build setup for Seal M on Cross that focuses on survivability plus fast kill speed plus low potion use. I'll break it down so you can actually use it right away. AFK grinding build setup general meta. Main goal, kill mobs automatically without dying. Sustain long farming sessions, maximize drop per hour. First, best AFK classes important. Top AFK fuses, Mega Wizard type, best AOE damage, clears mobs fast in groups, high farming efficiency. Archer range type, very safe range, stable auto attack farming, low potion consumption. If you want pure AFK money farming, mage wins. If you want safe long AFK sessions, Archer wins. Second, skill setup for AFK grinding. Happy earning at Seal M on Cross. Happy grinding, boss. See you in my next video. Bye.